Hi friends, hi YouTube, hi my little counts. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. This is my YouTube channel. I'm glad to have you here. I love bright, fun, colorful makeup. So I'd love to have you join my little clown parade that we have going on here. Today I played with my Lethal Cosmetics custom palettes. It's just, a bunch of single shadow goodness. And here they look like these. I did this look. If you'd like to see different looks of these, I would gladly do it because I have some ideas that I think would be fun. But yeah, hello. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so it looks as though there might be a thunderstorm happening. I don't know. I looked at the radar. It looks like it was moving past us, so I don't really know. But like I said in the intro, I'm going to be playing with my custom Lethal Cosmetics palettes. I haven't used these in a while. They were a tad bit expensive, so I thought I need to start getting my uses out of them. I think I'm going to lean more towards this one rather than this one. But I might steal a couple of like the golds in this palette. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. All the shade names will be on the screen, and all the shades, like single shadows, will be linked in the description. So I'm putting that into the crease, like always starting with the crease. And I'm using the Refer 15 brush that I got from Jan. I'm just packing that in. And I think I'm going to go in with this mustardy yellowish. I hope y'all heard that because that made me really happy. This shade right here, and I'm going to be putting that over that shade. Again, into the crease. I just want it, like, I want a big boom thunderstorm. That's all I'm asking for here, okay? That's all I want. So I think I'm going to go in with this yellow, like golden. Ooh, there's a notification from the weather app. I gotta check it. I was just telling me that there was lightning. I wish it was more exciting. But I'm going to go in with that yellow shade, and I'm going to put that right at the bottom edge of this crease shades. I was outside in the humidity, so if I'm like not working well, that's what that is. But I think I'm going to go in with this blue shade and put that here on the outer edge. It'll be a tad bit green because there's that yellow there. But bringing that inwards. So I'm going to take a little bit more of a pointed brush and still go in with that shade and just put a little bit more of a line. So I ended up taking that shade and going along the lash line here. But I'm going to go in with these two golds right here and put that in this open section that I just made. I'm pretty sure that Lethal's, I don't need to like squirt the brush to get it on. Oh, please Storm. But I'm going to go in with this more gold one first. And put that right here. This really reminds me of like all the looks Cleopatra would have on all the books about her. And then I'm going to go in with that lighter, more shimmery gold right here. And put that more so in the inner part. And while I'm here, I'm going to take a little bit of that gold and put it under the brow. So I'm going to go do the tutorial, like the TikTok, Instagram, reel, whatever BS on this side. Do my face, lashes, and I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip, the under eye. Okay, I'm back. Ugh. All my sunlight went away, so you're gonna have to deal with what I have, which is like storm clouds with no storm. So, what bullshit. But I'm gonna go in with the Melt Lynx Cream Blush. Like, this is my go-to every single freaking time. I really don't use any other blush. And I thought, I don't know, I felt like this would look really good with this. And can't forget the nose. Okay, so a while back, it was a good while though, I mentioned about doing a carrier series. I have that. I'll calculate it here for, like I said, a while. So if anybody would actually like to see that, I'd still love to do it. But I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Citrus Frizz Quad and the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and I'm going to be using that for highlighter because I just commented this under one of Jan's videos. But we have to be seen from space with our highlighter. I'm sorry. We just have to. So, I need to get a better chair. I mean, this is a good chair. It's comfy, but I don't like that it makes noises. Actually, I think I'm not going to use the ColourPop one. I'm just going to use this one. I do like to use that one, though, because there's an actual link to it, but it is what it is. For a lip, I'm thinking this ColourPop Just a Tint. Where did my mirror go? Oh, I was thinking this could work. Yeah. Not too peachy. What are we thinking? This or go with a more... We'll go with the more nude. So I ended up going with the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick, cream lipstick. I think I don't know, I wanted something more neutralish, I guess. I don't know. But I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Shock Neon liner and put that in my waterline. I'm going to put a little bit more mascara on the bottom line, the bottom lashes. I don't really know what to do for my under eye though. I might go in with that brownish, one of the brownish shades that I used. I think that would maybe work. Yeah, I don't know. Let me find a brush. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, the mustardy shade from my more earthy tone palette, and put that under here. And then I took just the teeniest bit of this gold right here in that one and put in that and put whatever words, okay, into the inner corner. Okay, so this is the final completed look. I like it. I haven't really done something more neutralish, even though this isn't really neutralish with this palette. These palettes, and I haven't played with them in a long time, so this was a lot of fun. Yeah. I really don't know what to say in my outros anymore. But I think I'm going to do, like, my skincare taking off my makeup routine. I think I'm going to film that this weekend or, like, later. Then hopefully get another couple videos done this weekend. Because summer camp schedule, I got that this week. It's kind of insane. I'll try to fit in getting more videos out. But if you made it to this part of the video, thank you for watching. Thank you for making it this far. Thank you for supporting me. I really do appreciate it. So, remember to be kind. Remember to not be transphobic, homophobic, racist, all of those things. I promise you it is a whole hell of a lot easier to be kinder and nicer than it is to be a dick. Put the energy into things that you love and the things that you like rather than putting it into things that you hate and that make you uncomfortable. Yeah. Happy Pride Month to all of my LGBTQIA plus family, if I have any of you here, I appreciate you, and just know that I'm here for you. If you ever need to talk, this is a safe space. I may not be part of that, but I definitely am an ally, and I love and adore you guys so much, and I'm sending all of you the most happiest and safest of Pride. But have a good day, have a good night, have a good weekend, and be safe.